What is software engineering? Software engineering is defined as a process of analyzing user requirements and then designing, building, and testing software application which will satisfy those requirements. Let's look at the various definitions of software engineering. IEEE in its standard 610 12 1990 defines software engineering as applications of a systematic discipline, which is a compatible approach for the development, operation, and operation. Fritz Buer defined it as the establishment and used standard engineering principles. It helps you to obtain economically software which is reliable and works efficiently on the real machines. Boehm defines software engineering, which involves the practical application of scientific knowledge to the create design and the building of computer programs, and it also includes associated documentation needed for developing, operating, and maintaining theme. Why software engineering? Software crisis and its solution. What was the software crisis? It was in the late 1960s when many software projects failed. Many software became our budget. Output was an unreliable software which is expensive to maintain. Larger software was difficult and quite expensive to maintain. Lots of software not able to satisfy the growing requirements of the customer. Complexity of software projects increased whenever its hardware capability and increased. Demand for the new software increases faster compared with the ability to generate new software. The solution was to the problem was transforming unorganized coding effort into a software engineering discipline. These engineering models helped companies to streamline operation and deliver software engine meeting customer requirements. The late 1970s saw the widespread uses of software engineering principles. In the 1980s saw the automation of software engineering process and growth of case computer aided software engineering. The 1990s have seen an increased emphasis on the management aspects of projects, standard of quality and processes just like ISO 1901. Why software engineering is popular? Here are important building reasons behind the popularity of software engineering. Large software in our real life is a quite more comfortable to build a well than a horse or building. In the same manner as the size of the software becomes large, software engineering helps you to build software scalability. If the software development process were based on scientific and engineering concepts, it is easier to recreate a new software to scale an existing one. Adaptability: whenever the software process was based on the scientific and engineering, it is easy to recreate a new software with the help of software engineering. Of course, the hardware industry has shown its skill, and huge manufacturing has lowered the cost of the computer and electronic software hardware. Dynamic nature, always growing and adapting nature of the software. It depends on the environment in which the user works. Quality management offers better methods of software development to provide quality software products. Quality software products and the software engineering is the main department of the computers, where the software can build and design in every tool in every systems. So the software engineering in this time is very growing technology in the world. Software engineering define a process of analyzing user requirements and designing, building, and testing software application which will satisfy those requirements. Let's look at the various definitions of software engineering. IEEE in its standard 610 and 912 19 defined software engineering as the application of systematic discipline, which is a computable approach for the development operation. Thank you so much.